Ayan guys, ang ating barbecue ay luto na. So, malapit na kakain.
You're now done. You can now put it in. Now you can put it in, Dad.
Oh, ano yun?
That was just wood. It's okay.
Ha?
That was just wood.
Ayan. Luto na, kakain na tayo.
What are you going to do inside? When?
Okay na. Alisin mo yan, alisin mo muna ang takip, please. Yan, ilagay mo yan, ilagay mo yan. Ilagay mo dito. Yan. Ilagay mo dyan para hindi mo mabigat. Alisin mo yung takip muna. Ilagay mo yung takip doon sa isa. Yan. Hold that one. Ano to? Luto na?
Beef.
Baka? You know baka?
No.
Baka is beef.
Pig.
No, baboy.
Oh, baboy is
Pork. Baboy. Baka is
grasshopper.
Manok. Chicken. Yung manok.
No, so good.
Kaya na natin to ha. Look na natin.
How about you hold it? I'll do it.
Oh, no. You right? Malaglag ha? Di, ako na lang.
No, I'll do it.
Slowly. It's big kimpit eh.
Soon it's gonna be a big one.
Malaking kimpit. Mamaya hindi mo malaglag ha.
Big armpit.
Wala tayong makain ito pag malaglag.
Oh.
Ayan. Si Charlotte. Charlotte ang nagkuha ng luto na. Ayan. You learn eh?
Yeah. I'm using all my strength, by the way.
Okay.
No, that's for the hot dogs. We're separating it.
Dali na natin stars, kaya kakain na tayo, gutom na.
We have cranberry juice, so I have to, I don't really like cranberry juice, I think.
Yan.
And I never tried cranberry juice before. Was that Asher?
Maybe he said, oh, smell. Abi, ako na. Ako na, parang tapos
No,
na.
I'll do it.
He said, oh, we're doing, we smelling there.
Maybe he wants.
Sabi niya, inaamoy ko ng barbecue.
Maybe he's saying, come inside, Dad. Come inside.
Yeah.
It has been an hour. You better be quick.
Maybe, sabi, oh, good smell barbecue, and they're not giving me.
Maybe Mom, you know.
Sabi niya, mamigay naman kayo. Akin na yan. Huwag na yan.
Just push that in.
Ako na.
No, I'm just shaking off my hand.
Bilis na, dandahan na. Baka malaglag ha.
Yeah, you just leave me inside here. And after I'll call you in.
Yeah.
You can just do the house tour. Son! Come inside! Son!
Ha?
Son!
Yeah. Wala pang ilaw, kaya madilim. Akin na takip. Dali mo doon sa taas, ang phone mo. Ikaw na magdala?
You hold it, please.
You come back eh?
Huh?
You come back in there. You take it, come back. You balik. Okay. Yan. Yan guys. Kakain na tayo. Luto natin barbecue. Ayan. Yeah. Abangan nyo lang guys. Ang mga upload ko na video. Ayan. Thank you for watching guys. Ayan. Malamig dito ngayon. Kaya kailangan natin magpainit. Yan. Yeah, tapos na. Tapos na natin ano, kaya isara na natin to. Isara na natin ang ating gas. Yeah. Baba na to. Ayan. Ayan. Linisin na natin sa sunod na araw para pag gamitin natin uli malinis na. Thank you for watching guys. See you next vlog. Bye bye.